time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we have a special episode. What we're going to be cooking is this Omsom saucy noodles, garlic black pepper. And this will be the third variety of this I'll be trying. The last two did very poorly. I'm hopeful. But that is not what makes it a special episode. The specialness is that you're going to meet, we have a new child. Yes, we went and bought a child. I didn't know that was legal. But you can go buy children if you're so inclined. I think the reason a lot of people don't do it and they roll their own is because, you know, it's a messy process of birthing children, but people seem to just want their own human children. Well, I don't know where our non-human child is. I think the non-human child is coming this way. Ah! And look, here is our non-human child. This is Louise. Hello, Louise. You may gaze upon the pug. Right? She's 8 weeks old. We were just having a simple conversation about pets last night. Around, what? Maybe around 3:45, 3:30, 3:40. I think maybe like 3:15. Yeah. And then we just like, well, I wonder if we can go get one somewhere. She's looking it up immediately. And within 4 hours, the transaction was done with some mountain people, and then we had Louise, the perfect creature. Yeah. Are you a perfect creature? Yeah, she is a wee little pug. And she just ate and pooped, so she's gonna fall asleep very soon. Which I'm guessing you're going to do as well. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah. We were up until what? 1:30. Was it really 1:30? Crap.
Almost 2.
And then we got up at
4.
4. Yeah. I feel wobbly. Yeah. So. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Oh, she's not saying that. And of course, that was Kit, the most beautiful woman in the entire universe. Love you. So, now with that, you can see the noodles cooking. I know that's what you come here for. I don't care. I'm going to show you the noodles cooking, but I'm also going to show you other things. But yeah, that is our new non-human child, Louise. Yeah, she's fun. When we got her, she seemed like really timid and freaked out. And then we got her home, and she drank some water and ate some kibble, and bam, activate superpowers. See, doesn't this noodle look great? It totally looks like a Taiwanese dry noodle, I think. And it has a huge sauce sachet. The last ones, they ended up tasting like Italian vinaigrette. And that was really not what I envisioned. Way too tangy, way weird. No. But we'll see. It'll be perfect. You'll see. This one will be different. It won't be like the last one. It is really quite a large sachet. It looks like a candy bar, I think. Well, let's see if this stuff is not just Omsom, but awesome. Get it? Actually, that's something altogether different. Awesome is a sour, spicy style of laksa. Actually, I think Assam just means sour. But Assam laksa usually has like mackerel and all sorts of stuff from a completely different region. So it says with this one to save out 2 teaspoons. That's about right. 2 tablespoons rather of liquid. There's our noodle, there's our liquid. We're gonna drop in the contents of this sachet and let it rip. By the way, you should know the next episode I'm doing is something really weird. Came by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you yet again for sending me some stuff I would absolutely have no chance of getting, that drives the viewers of this show nuts, because people are like, wow, I haven't seen that in my local Asian grocery in Schenectady. And I'm like, well, you're not gonna. Not in a million years. They don't export that. Well, how did you get it? Really lucky to know a lot of cool people who are really kind and send me cool stuff. So that's how I get it. This looks like brown gravy, but it's garlic, black pepper, and it smells like Italian dressing again. Jesus freaking ass Christ, I tell ya. Yeah, we'll see. I've had some stuff that's had some olfactory sensations that ended up being completely wonderful. I have. It has happened. We'll see if this will be one of those things. It's 3rd time's a charm. Yesterday, insofar as the scheduling of these shows, was my birthday. And I would be happy on the episode where I showed you our new beloved pet, that the noodle that I reviewed was really something good that you guys should all try. So, oh my God, I said it, guy. I said it, guys. It's like, who the frick are you people? I don't know who you are. I don't know you well enough to call you, hey guys, how you doing? My daughter Mimi, she's in 1st grade and she's watched so much freaking YouTube that she did a YouTube episode with my wife on the phone, and she's like, hey guys, blah 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 blah. It's like she knows all the best practices stuff for YouTube. She is a YouTube diva. What am I saying? I don't know. Pretty crazy. So here's our noodle ensconced with flavorings. Cheers. God, that's fucking foul. Wow. Okay, that must be garlic. There's little bitty bits in there. But it's so, like, acidic and tangy and, like, exactly like the other two. There's a base for this that they're using that. Wow. I find that disgusting. And I hate to say such things, especially about noodle varieties. I want it to be good. I love reviewing stuff. I love reviewing stuff that tastes good. This is like, it's shameful. Personally, in my opinion, this is not good. But, you know, if you want to try it, by all means, please do so. My favorite variety is the one I haven't tried first. I wish I could trademark that, because that's really kind of my credo. It's so weird.
Not getting any inkling of black. Honestly, it just tastes like a slightly pastier version of the last one I had. Well, let's make it at least look nice. It's like, you're like, hey, wait, you're eating the steak. You go to a restaurant, the steak tastes horrible, you try to get a refund, but you've eaten the steak. No. I'm just trying to find out new words to describe this. None of them are kind. It's really that bad. It's like, ooh, there's one. So it's got a lot of bits of garlic. That's got to be what they are. But what I'm getting out of this is like, if you made some nice broad noodles and you dumped in a bunch of salt, some Italian dressing, and just an ass load of Montreal steak seasoning. Like, that's really what I'm getting out of this, and it's not polite. And I wish it were. I wish it were something I enjoyed. Because I really, really, really dig their packaging and everything, but it's like, it just misses the mark in so many times. There's some onions. Onions are good. I'm getting older and crankier. I've been told that I've been cranky in the past, but lately I haven't been cranky. But this is really making me cranky. What's making me cranky is the slice of chashu. Yeah. I don't need to talk. Crushed red pepper. There's some black pepper. There you go. My advice for these things is change your flavor profile 1,000 degrees. Look to Taiwanese flavors and go from there. Alright, thank you for going through that ordeal of food and enjoying the sweetness of my beautiful family. This is Jinding and their Batagor Kwa Express. This kwa is soup. Batagor is kind of like, it's like a dumpling, like mackerel going on. And it's Indonesian. And this sounds good. I'll be doing one very soon that is called, it's spelled C-U-A-N-K-I. This and that Quonky stuff are popularized in, I don't know if it's a region or what do you call it? A province? It's from an area in Indonesia called Bandung. So, you've probably never seen this. I haven't. Super unique and weird, and I've never tried it, and I'm stoked. And that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is Vinod's the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.